Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating the Office edition and your purchase record. This matters because keys differ by version. Once done, open Account. Microsoft. Com and sign in with the account you used to buy Office so you can view licenses. Make sure you have administrative access on the PC. Without admin rights, you can't change activation settings. If the key is physical, take a photo or transcribe it now. Next, close Office apps and prepare to change or re-enter the product key in Windows. You now change the key inside an Office app. Open Word or Excel, go to File, Account, then select Change Product Key or Activate Product. Enter the 25-character key carefully, hyphens included, and press Activate. This updates license data immediately. If you have Microsoft 365, sign out and sign back in to refresh subscription tokens, rather than using a key. Make sure your PC is online during activation, because Office contacts Microsoft servers to validate the key in real time. You finish by confirming activation. Open an Office app and check Account for the activated status. If activation fails, run the Windows Activation Troubleshooter or open Settings right arrow Update and Security right arrow Activation to diagnose issues. In stubborn cases, choose Telephone Activation. The automated system walks you through a numeric confirmation process. If problems persist, note the exact error code and keep your proof of purchase handy before contacting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.